Hello everyone, friends, on the Velo channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install plugins in FL Studio. To do this, I go into any browser and write plugins for FL Studio, right? But you choose which plugins you will need. I'll show you an example. For example, here we have the Felki website. I will choose, for example, Autogun Freeware. Here, just click Windows Installer. In short, you need an .exe file. Click on this .exe file. We have the usual installation. We are waiting. Here we have a regular installation wizard. Everything here is super simple. Click Next, Accept. You choose what you need here. I only need 64 bits. And I don't need these shortcuts. That's it. And accordingly, we need to find us a folder of plugins. The plugins folder is located in FL Studio Options, File Settings. Yes, that is Settings, File Settings. Here is Plugin Management. Here we have the plugins folder. These are Drive E Florida Studio plugins. That is iFly into our installer. And accordingly, here I select, in my case, Drive E, Florida Studio plugins, and click OK and click Next. This is, or rather, this place, well, where it will be in general installed. Yes, here's the program date, not a plugin. That is, but you choose it wherever you want, it doesn't matter. But the plugin itself needs to be installed in plugins. Here, click OK, click Next, and click Install and wait. Click Next and click Finish. After that, I go back to the FL, click Settings, File Settings, Manage Plugins, and accordingly see if our plugin has appeared here. Here it is, Autogun. That's it. Well, accordingly, we installed it. That's all. Velo was with you. Bye, everyone.